We just spent 3 epic days in Kaikōura, New Zealand, a little slice of heaven where the mountains meet the sea, and we met our adventurous selves. Surfing? Yes. Hiking? Obviously. Seafood? Like it was our full-time job. Also, cooking? I had to get out my phone to figure out how to turn off the stove. Cozy fireplace hangs, and quality bonding with the TV. Basically, it was the dream vacation sandwich. The best of both worlds. Mountains and beach, mountains and beach. Adventure on the outside and rest and relaxation in the middle. But somehow, poof, 3 days vanished faster than a plate of French fries. And you know how much I love French fries. Now the task that I dread the most, cleaning up, locating forgotten toiletries, towels, and laundry sink. No, haven't dropped anything. Oh, this feels so soft too. I don't know what it's made out of, but it's nice and soft and feels so good. Oh. It's checkout time and I'm looking through things. I'm like looking for things that I should have that I can't find because I said to myself, oh, I'm gonna put this somewhere where it's gonna be safe. And then I can never find it. I don't know where I put it, but it's time to leave. And this bed is so comfortable and cushy. I mean, I could easily lose all kinds of stuff in here. This feels so good. This place though, is if you walk barefooted on the floors, it makes this noise. Ariel has made the list. Next time you have to figure out where to take the trash to. There's always time to smell the roses. They smell so good, and look at the rose. This was really good last night. This is called Goat Creek. It says Sauvignon Blanc. It's from New Zealand, and it's just so good. It's $17 New Zealand. I guess that's maybe around 10 bucks or so in US dollars, which is really good, especially sitting in front of a fire in a fireplace and watching TV. It was like so much fun, especially last night when we had crayfish for the first time here in Kaikōura. That was delicious. Ariel ate most of it. I only got a few bites. But it was what bites I did have. They were good. And the mussels, the green mussels, oh, out of this world. They were great. I look forward to more seafood here in New Zealand before I leave. Yum, yum. You know, leave it the way you found it. It's been stuck on 212 for quite a while. What's going on? Little cookies. We ate them all. They were good. I believe that's everything. I guess that means when the suitcase goes in the back of the vehicle, it's almost time to leave. I never know which side to go on now that I'm on the other side of the road. Goodbye, lovely house. I love you. I miss you. I want to come back and see you again. That might be hard to see, but there's snow-capped mountains out there. Just sitting here at this little cafe called, seems to be very, very healthy, and coffee and pastries. I got a scone. Can't come to New Zealand without trying out a scone. Ooh, nice and moist and hot. Scone, savory scone. Ooh, that's good. Oh, and now it's the moment I've been dreading. On our way back to Christchurch. Leaving beautiful Kaikōura behind and heading back to Christchurch. My daughter is behind the wheel, driving on the left side of the road, which means truckers on the right, obstacles on the left, and I'm stuck in the middle. What do I do?
Any bikers? Any bikers? Okay.
We made it. We survived. We didn't die on the road, which I thought was going to happen. Where's the Airbnb type look? Like, where do we check in? Which place is it? We're greeted at the new Airbnb mascot, Margot.
Hi there. How do we get to meet?
And up the stairs to our rooms. And then it's the hunt for food. I can smell lime. Good. Too bad there isn't more of it. Join us tomorrow as we go on an adventure on the beach with horses, something I've always been looking forward to. My dream, my bucket list, and I'm going to do it. Come join us tomorrow. If you enjoyed tagging along with our adventure, please like, subscribe. It would mean a lot to us. And leave your comments below.